Greetings and salutations, and welcome to another Inventor video. This is part 2 of the Pumpkin project for the Halloween edition. This is more going to be focusing on the actual studio side and actually making it into a background, actually trying to make it a little bit more spooky, because currently we're missing a light. It doesn't really look very dark with the default, so what we're going to do is just going to start a sketch. Just go grab a rectangle, 2-point center, and we're just going to make it, I don't know, 200 by 200. There we go, and then we're going to extrude it as a separate body, and we're only going to make it 2. We're not fussed on the height of this. The next part we need to do is we need to start a 2D sketch on here, and let's go back to a 2-pointer, and it's just going to be a standard, it's going to be the 200, and we're going to make it 5, so it's pretty thin. And then the next thing we're going to do is it's pretty much just going to be 5. Switch over to 200. And there we go, click finish. And we're then just going to extrude that and that up 200. So we have a bit of a cube. Now we're just going to set solid 2, which is our new backdrop, into anodized black, which is really, really dark. There we go. Right, that's pretty much all we need to make in this episode. So now I'm going to move into the studio environment, and I'm going to start with the local light. This can be the lantern. So you're just going to select the middle, and just going to click slightly up of it, and click OK. And there you go, you've got a light in there. Right, the next task is now to really get a camera done. I won't be rendering because it plays havoc when it comes to actually trying to record. But now if you just drag the camera back, you'll get to a point, and you see you can just click OK. And then if we then click render, if I just click on camera 1, we can do slightly better because we've got a bit of coverage out here. What we can do is if we click on the camera, click on edit, what we can really do is just shift this along and the target stays identical. Just got to be careful because if you use the move command, it'll move the camera and the target, which is less favourable. I will just click OK. I'll go into render. Didn't actually save it, did I? Oh dear. Well, we're just going to click edit, position. Just click on it. I'm just going to slide around. Click the tick. Click OK. There you go. It looks a little bit more spooky, and then you can click render. Select the camera, and you can have a look around. I just have it set to the default, not really fussed with it. Now where has my local light gone? That local light seems to have disappeared. There it is. Mess around with the light environment, must have toggled it off. But now, so you click render, click camera 1, change whatever light is on to make sure your light is on, select if you want to save it, and render by iteration. I usually do about 1,000 times, but it can take a while. My other iteration, if I go on to here, took about 3.5 hours for about 5,000 renders. It's a bit excessive, yes, but they do look good. If I just change my visual style to shaded, actually entering the environment of the one I did earlier, there you go. This looks a little bit more spooky. Right, hope this helps you. This is the end of the series. If you want any more, ask in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next episode.